Hey my loves, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Patrice. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can grow your locks faster. Yes, I do have locks if you're new to my channel. Right now, my hair is actually in wrap. So today we're just going to talk about locks, how it can grow faster. And let me just keep it real with you right now. There's no magic trick to growing your locks really fast. These things that I'm going to tell you are things that you just need to be aware of so your locks can actually grow at a faster rate than average. So it's not necessarily like tomorrow, oop, I got hair like Rapunzel. If you implement these things in your life and you actually take care of yourself, your hair can grow much faster. First thing, stop stressing. Okay, stop stressing. A lot of things can happen when you're stressing. Okay, you can lose your hair, you can break out, your skin can just be really in shambles, and there's a lot that can happen when you're stressing. So stop stressing. That is one of the things that can definitely cause your hair to slow the pace of actually growing. Stop it. Stop stressing. There are ways to balance your life. I know that life can get a little crazy. You have to really implement things in your life so that you can have a balance. So if your life is very stressful, you really have to take some time to yourself and actually, rest or do something that you like, exercise, eat better, because when you eat better, you actually feel better. It's just important to implement things that can just basically relieve the amount of stress that you put on your body. We all deal with stress no matter what we do in our lives, like no matter what we have, we still deal with a large amount of stress, and the important thing is balancing that. Meditation definitely helps. Find a place where you could just sit in silence or sit and listen to meditation music or however you meditate. There's so many different ways. It's definitely important to have a peace of mind if you're trying to flourish in all areas of your life. The next thing is, what are you eating? Eating definitely plays a part on your hair, your skin, and everything really, because if you're not eating well or if you're eating a lot of junk, then it's probably going to not seem like your hair is growing quickly. Some people are able to eat anything and their hair still grows rather quickly. But for people like me and you, we can't do that. What you eat definitely plays a huge part on your hair growth, because you're able to take in nutrients and vitamins and things like that from your foods and what you drink. If you're drinking a lot of water, you actually consuming water allows your body to be hydrated, and that means the rest of your body is able to be hydrated, which also helps your hair. Eat well, make sure you eat your vegetables, your fruits. If you don't like fruits and vegetables, blend it up, make a smoothie so that your hair and your body could just be healthy and also functioning. We all know, maybe you don't know, when you do eat really horrible, like junk food, your moods suck. Like your moods are trash. The stuff that we eat plays a huge part on the energy that we have. The next thing is understanding your hair. You need to know what your hair needs. Everyone's hair is different, and I tell you guys that all the time, because just because I have the same hair texture as you does not mean what you use is going to work for me. So you really have to understand your hair and see what it likes. A lot of time we have to try products time and time again before we actually find the one that's best for us, and that's the product that you would want to use. Of course, you want to pay attention to what you put on your hair, because with locks we have to be careful of things that are thick and that are sticky. So the ingredients definitely plays a huge part. Some people don't really care about the ingredients that they put on their hair as long as it works, and to each his own. I try to use things that works for me as natural as it can get. Okay, so I don't typically reach for shampoos that are in the grocery store or in Walmart. I usually make my own and things of that nature. My hair needs a lot of moisture, so I have to constantly moisturize my hair because my hair drinks water and it drinks oil. So you really have to understand what your hair needs, because some people just need more moisture than others. When you understand your hair and use products that benefit your hair will definitely grow so much faster. If you're putting just a whole bunch of things that's not even working for your hair is actually going to slow down in growth, and you might be weighing down your hair in general. So you want to pay attention to the products you use and if it's actually working for you. The thing is, let your hair be. You don't need to be in your hair all the time. You don't need to be twirling and swirling and, you know, just twisting. You don't need to do that. Your hair doesn't need much. Let your hair be and stop being caught up on the length of your hair in this moment. Your hair is going to grow. Keep your hands at your head. When you're bored, the last thing you need to be doing is twirling your locks and, you know, twisting it, because you never want to twist on dry hair. Let your hair be free and you will thank me later. Trust me. The next thing is love on your crown. Massages are the best thing to do with your hair because it allows and circulates blood flow and it stimulates hair growth. So when you massage your hair, it could be at any time. Give your hair a little bit of TLC, your hair will grow, and who doesn't like massages? When you're moisturizing and washing your hair, you want to massage your scalp, and I like to do this for about 5 to 10 minutes because it is very great for hair growth. Don't be so caught up on the length of your hair that you forget about the healthiness of your hair, because the healthiness is what will actually keep your hair thriving. If your hair is not healthy and is long, then your hair can just snap off at any moment, and we don't want that. The next thing is make sure you're washing your hair, and you don't want to wait longer than a month to wash your hair. Forget about what you were told by hairdressers or other locticians. If a loctician is telling you not to wash your hair or wait 2-3 months to wash your hair, you should not be listening to them. And I actually made a video on that. That is just really wrong information for anyone to be following. It is important to have a clean scalp. A healthy scalp is a clean scalp, and if you're not washing your hair is not able to grow and it's going to build up on your scalp. You don't want to worry about all these things that can happen when you don't wash your hair. Disgusting. And as I said about people who suggest others to wash their hair in 2-3 months, dirty people think that, okay? Don't follow that. That's not cool. You need to run away. Whoever is telling you not to wash your hair, run away. I just don't understand. Sometimes when I get emails and I'm like, oh my gosh, bless your heart, you waited 5 months? Listen, I'm not waiting 5 months to wash my hair. Are you kidding me? That's crazy to me. I feel like by then you'll probably have a lot of fungus on your head. Or you have a lot of, you know how much product you have on your hair? What? Okay, that's enough. If anyone that follows me right now has waited a very long time to wash your locks, let me know down below the longest you've ever waited to wash your locks. I don't know why it's a thing where people actually wait so long to wash their hair, as if your hair is not going to lock up. It's going to lock up, and that's the problem. A lot of people are so quick to want locks, but they don't have the patience to achieve locks. If you don't have patience to get locks, then don't get locks, because you're going to be very angry. You're going to be upset. You're going to be annoyed. You're going to try things that don't even make sense just to achieve what you want at a faster pace, and it's just not going to happen. Locks don't happen overnight. Anyone who has to deal with like wrong advice from professionals, just remember that there's resources out there and you can do your own research. So that pretty much wraps up this video. I want to add that you want to also avoid having too much salt water in your hair, chlorine, over styling your locks, not covering your hair at night. All these things actually will affect your hair growth. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give your girl a thumbs up. Also make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Always remember, be spiffy and be you. Peace. You're the